We're up and running. No, you're too high. I can't get...
Sit. Sit. Hey, sit.
This is their first Christmas. Bandit is the fawn and Shadow is the brindle. Santa Claus is in trouble with Bandit. And the bear's not doing too good either.
Get your bird man. He is.
They're not into too much sharing, these two. They're young yet. They usually don't get plushes because we're afraid that they eat all the goodies inside the plushes, which there ain't no goodies for them.
Give me, okay?
These two are pretty destructive on toys. We have to watch them because they usually chew stuff apart. We haven't found a toy yet that they can't. I've had Boxer previously, and I bought stuff that he could never destroy, and these two have it destroyed in an hour. They're on 11 months here, so 11 months old. Supposed to be purebreds from Ohio. They both have their chips and their shots and everything that they need. I could have sent for papers, but didn't do it. There are pets, so I wasn't going there showing them, you know. Got them for guard dogs. And they're doing that already. They're barking when someone comes or somebody's around. They're doing their jobs.
Shadow.
Little destructive on stuff in the house still.
Very.
My sister says it's very, not little.
Yeah, we've had boxers before, and these two were, that one especially, the chewer.
Yeah, we've had boxers, and they're doing stuff that the other two boxers didn't even think of. I don't know if it's because they're more pure-blooded, I don't know. This is our first attempt to raise two together, and I did not know about the trouble having two at the same time. But they're from different litters, so they're not actually brothers, but we call them brothers. They're adopted brothers, I guess. We figured that way if one of them had a problem, we have the other one. We're at the age right now, me and my sister, that we didn't want to train too much when we get older here. So this is our last shot at ever having two. I said, I think after bit we'll get one after bit while they're here to train them, because that was my biggest mistake. Was we had Thor there. We have previous videos of him. On this, and so on the channel, he usually liked to unwrap his stuff. We got a couple presents that are wrapped up to see what they do, but right now we're just getting them into the thing. Bandit likes to hog all the toys. The toys are all his, just the way it goes. Shadow's the protector. If you're playing with Bandit, you have to watch with him, because he'll be the one to defend him. So I don't know which one's the alpha yet. That's to be determined. But so far, they're pretty good with each other. You got the other ones for them?
Yeah.
I want to see what they do with the paper here. We'll see how good they are. I don't know if they'll be good as Thor was. So they're learning.
Yeah.
They're interested in the paper right away. Here they come.
They eat paper.
They're. Let's see if one of them can figure out how to open up their own package like Thor did on his own. Thor never needed help on that. He didn't want no help. So far, the plushes are winning and the wrapping hate, which surprises me. No, we got one interested in the package here.
Oh, I put a hole in it. Put a ball on it.
Here goes the paw. She has to get the paw down there. Might be a tug of war here. They figure out what to do. Oh, there goes package it all. Like I said, Bandit doesn't like to share too much. He's behind my counter there in the shop here.
Here.
Well, I think there's a toy out of the package behind there. I think the toy's out. We got one that learned how to do it. We'll see if the other one can figure it out.
Hey, Shadow. Shadow. Come here, Shadow. Hey, Shadow. Come here, Shadow. Come here. Shadow. Hey. Come on, get it. Get it. Get it. That's it. Get it. Get it. There you go. Get out of there. There you
They're
go.
learning. Yeah, I'm glad they did that because Thor was always my Christmas. He's like my little kid. So this is the first year for these two. I said I missed Thor awful bad. He had a mask that I did not know about. I said these are the guys that are always behind the videos and you hear what the clicking and stuff going on and making noise with these two.
Try to get through and get the paper out of the way because they'll eat it.
Well, I wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope you have a great year. Thanks for watching our videos. Thanks for all the subscribers. Merry Christmas.